Question number 50 says that let A be a 3 cross 1 matrix, 3x square 1 and 6x, B be a 1 cross 3 matrix, ABC, C be a 3 cross 3 matrix as given, be 3 given matrices where ABC and X belongs to R. Given that trace of AB is equal to trace of C for all X belongs to R, where trace A denotes the trace of A, then we have to find out the relation between the coefficients of ABC. So we have the trace of AB is the sum of diagonal elements of AB, which will be 3ax square plus b plus 6cx. And what is trace of C? Trace of C is x plus 2 whole square plus 2x plus 5x square. The sum of principal diagonal elements of AB as well as C. Okay. Now students, what we have to do, we have to equate them. So 3ax square plus 6cx plus b equals 6x square plus 6x plus 4. Clearly we have a equals 2, c equals 1, b equals 4. A plus b plus c, 7, correct. A minus b plus c. So a plus c is 3 minus b is minus 1, so correct. A plus b, 6 minus 1 is 5, so this is wrong. A minus b minus c is 0, wrong. The final answer of this question is option A and option B. A very simple one. Let us move on to question number 51. Question number 51 says that the value of theta lying between minus pi by 4 and pi by 2 and a belonging to the closed interval 0 to pi by 2 and satisfying the equation, this determinant given equal to 0 r. Before simplifying this determinant, let us apply the elementary row operation. R1 goes to R1 minus R3 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. So we'll have 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, sine square A, cos square A, 1 plus 2 sine 4 theta equals 0. So let us expand it along row 1. I'll have 1 plus 2 sine 4 theta plus cos square A minus 1 minus sine square A. So cos square A plus sine square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 sine 4 theta plus 2 equals 0, which give you sine 4 theta equals minus 1. Students, from here we have 4 theta, let us say it can be 3 pi by 2 also, it can be minus pi by 2 also. So theta can be 3 pi by 8 also and it can be minus pi by 8 also. One more thing which is very clear from this, that this particular determinant is coming independent of the value of A. So all real values of A will give the answer to be 0. Okay. So A equals pi by 4, theta equals to minus pi by 8, correct. A equals theta equals 3 pi by 8, correct. A equals pi by 5, any value of A is accepted, theta equals minus pi by 8, correct. A equals pi by 6, any real value, theta equals 3 pi by 8, correct. So all 4 options are correct. A, B, C, D is the right answer. Okay. Let us move on to 52. Question number 52 says that the equation of curve passing through the point 1, 2 and satisfying the differential equation y into dy by dx whole square plus x minus y into dy by dx minus x equals 0 can be. Students, what is the scenario over here? We have a quadratic equation in dy by dx. So let us put it equal to t and find out the value of t by using the Sridhar-Acharya formula. Okay. So this is y into t square plus x minus y into t minus x equals 0. So what is the value of t? T is minus b minus of x minus y plus minus b square minus 4ac. So x minus y whole square plus 4xy whole divided by twice of the leading coefficient, that is 2y. So this will give you y minus x plus minus, this is x plus y whole square. So x plus y upon 2y. So from here you have two possibilities. T, that is dy by dx, can be equal to, if we take the plus sign from here, so y plus x plus y, so 2y upon 2y, that is 1. Or dy by dx, if we take the minus sign from here, that will be y minus x minus y, so minus x upon y. So dy by dx equal to 1 will give you y equals x plus c, and this will give you x square plus y square equals c square. So according to the point given in the question 1, 2, clearly c equals 1. So that means y equals x plus 1 is the first answer, option number A. X square plus y square equals c square, that will give you c square equals 5. So x square plus y square equals 5 is the second answer. Only two possibilities, option number A, option number D. Let us move on to the next question, that is 53. Question number 53 says that let UVW be 3 unit vectors such that U plus V plus W, the vector summation, is equal to A vector, where A dot U vector is equal to 3 by 2, A dot V vector is equal to 7 by 4, and magnitude of A vector is equal to 2. So students, in such type of equations where we are required the other values, that is U dot V, U dot W, and V dot W, we take the dot product of the given equation, U plus V plus W equal to A, with all the three vectors U, V, W, and obviously A as well. So we have the parent equation U vector plus V vector plus W vector is equal to A vector. Dot product with A. U dot A, the value is given to be 3 by 2. A dot V will be 7 by 4. A dot W is unknown value. A dot A will be equal to magnitude of 2 square, that is 4. So from here, you'll get directly A dot W, the value is 3 by 4. Now students, taking the dot product with U vector. U dot U, 1. U dot V, unknown. U dot W, unknown. And U dot A, the value is 3 by 2. From here you will get U dot V plus U dot W is equal to 1 by 2. Dot product with V. So U dot V, unknown. V dot V, 1. W dot V, unknown. A dot V, 7 by 4. From here we have U dot V plus V dot W equals 3 by 4. Dot product with W. U dot W, unknown. V dot W, unknown. W dot W, 1. A dot W, we have calculated 3 by 4. So we have U dot W plus V dot W is equal to minus 1 by 4. Students, you can clearly see U dot V, U dot W, and V dot W are the three unknowns in these three equations. So equation number, let us say 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. So what you have to do, you have to add them. You'll get twice of the each variable, and ultimately you'll get U dot V plus U dot W plus V dot W into 2 times is equal to the sum of all three, that is 1. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. From equation number 1 and equation number 4, if I directly subtract them, I'll get V dot W equals 0. Which means D option is correct. Now, if we use this in equation number 2, we will have U dot V equal to 3 by 4. And if we use V dot W in equation number 3, we will have U dot W equals minus 1 by 4. Which ultimately means that AC are correct. So final answer is ACD. Okay, let us move on to question number 54. Question number 54 says that a function is defined by fx equals half times 0 to pi cos t into cos of x minus t dt, where x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, then which of the following statements are true? So let us simplify fx. Fx is half times 0 to pi cos t into cos of x minus t, which can be written as cos x cos t plus sin x sin t dt. The integration is with respect to t, x will be treated as constant. So fx is half of cos x into integration of 0 to pi cos square t dt plus sin x into integration of 0 to pi sin t cos t dt, which ultimately means that it is 1 by 2 cos x into pi by 2 plus sin x into 0. So ultimately fx is a very simple function which is pi by 4 cos x. It is always continuous and differentiable. A option is wrong. Maximum value is pi by 4, minimum value is minus pi by 4. B is wrong, D is correct. There exists one value of C such that C belongs to 0 to 2 pi such that f dash C is 0. Very correct, because f of 0 equals f of 2 pi, so Rolle's theorem is applicable. C part is correct. Very simple problem. Answer is C and D. Question number 55 says that tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle S equals x square plus y square minus 2y minus 3 equals 0 from the point P 3, 4. Which of the following statement is correct? The power of point P with respect to circle S equals 0 is 14. Just substitute the value 3, 4. In that you will get 3 square plus 4 square 25 minus 8 minus 3. So 25 minus 11 is 14. Very correct. The angle between the tangents, equation of circumcircle, and the area of quadrilateral. So let us have the diagram. So we have the circle, then two tangents are drawn from the external point. One tangent, the second tangent. Then we need obviously the information about PAV and PACB. So let us have the center also. This is point P, 3, 4. Let this be point A. Let this be point B. This is the center C. This is obviously a right angle. So let this angle be theta. We have P as 3, 4. The center of the circle C is 0, 1. Radius of the circle is 2 units. So for B part I am solving. Students, PC, the value is equal to 3 root 2 and AC, the value is equal to 2 because it is the radius. Sin theta is AC upon PC and that is 2 upon 3 root 2. So that means root 2 by 3. Angle between tangents 2 theta. So 2 theta will be 2 sin inverse root 2 by 3. So don't mistake it for root 3 by 2. So we have option B obviously wrong because the angle is not pi by 3. The equation of the circumcircle of triangle PAB. Students, it is a very basic property that the circumcircle of this particular triangle PAB passes through the center of the circle also. Okay. So that means PC are the endpoints of the diameter because PAC and PBC are already the right angle triangles. So for C part, we have to write the diametric form using points P and C. So x minus 3 into x minus 0 plus y minus 4 into y minus 1 equals 0, which means x square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 4 equals 0. We have option number C as correct. Area of quadrilateral, again, it is twice the area of triangle PAC, half PA into PC. So twice of half of base into height. Base is PA and PA is under root of S1, that is root 14. And CA is 2. So we have simply 2 root 14 as the answer, which is correct. So final answer rests as ACD. Okay. Let us move on to question number 56.